Hey everyone and welcome back. If you're sending emails through SendGrid, you've probably noticed that annoying message via SendGrid.net. It hurts your brand trust and it absolutely tanks your email deliverability. Today, we're going to fix that. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up DKIM and DMARC. This is the secret sauce to telling providers like Gmail and Outlook that SendGrid is fully authorized to send emails for your domain, increasing your chances of hitting the primary inbox. Let's dive in. Let's jump into the SendGrid dashboard. We're setting up the foundation here, DKIM and SPF alignment. Go to the left menu, click Settings, then Sender Authentication. Under the Domain Authentication box, click Get Started. Choose your DNS host, whether that's GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or Namecheap. Next, you have the option to brand your links. Choose Yes if you want links in your emails to use your own domain instead of SendGrid's default. Click Next. Send the root domain you will be sending from. Do not include 3 Ws. Click Next. SendGrid now displays 3 CNAME records and a DMARC record. These are the records we will be adding in our DNS settings. But first, let me explain why we have 3 CNAME records here. They cover 2 critical protocols, DKIM and SPF. The second and third CNAMEs are for DKIM. These create a signature that proves your email hasn't been tampered with. The first CNAME is a clever replacement for the old, complex SPF record. Here's the simple explanation for SPF. Every email has a visible from address and a hidden return path address. By adding that first CNAME, you make that hidden return path address use your domain name. When the visible address and the hidden return path address both match your domain, SPF is automatically passed. This CNAME makes the automatic alignment system work, so you never have to write a separate SPF record. Now, we move to the DNS provider. I'm heading over to my Namecheap DNS manager. We are going to create 3 new CNAME records. For the record type, select CNAME. Copy the host value from SendGrid and paste it into the hostname field. Copy the corresponding value from SendGrid and paste it into the value target field. Repeat this process for all 3 records. Once you've added all 3 CNAMEs, save your changes. With DKIM and SPF aligned using those CNAMEs, we're almost done. The last step is DMARC. You'll see SendGrid offers a default DMARC record with reject policy. However, since we want more control over our policy and to receive and analyze our reports, we're going to generate our own. I recommend using PowerDMARC's DMARC generator. Go to the generator tool. Choose your starting policy. I recommend the safe none to start or quarantine if you're confident in your emails. And enter the email address where you want to receive reports. This is essential for monitoring your domain health. Click Generate. Go back to your DNS manager and create a new TXT record. For the record type, select TXT. For the hostname field, you must use _DMARC. Copy the generated DMARC value, the long string starting with vDMARC1, and paste it into the value field. Save that record in your DNS. Now, go back to SendGrid and click Verify. And you see my domain is verified. Remember, DNS changes can take time to propagate. If it doesn't verify instantly, wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again. Once successful, you'll see this check mark and your domain is now fully authenticated. You can also go ahead and verify your email address as a next step. Now, to double check everything is perfect, I'll go back to my PowerDMARC dashboard and check the domain health. As you can see, all records are valid and active. My domain score is an A+, because I have also set up BIMI, MTA-STS, and TLS-RPT encryptions. And that's it. By completing the SendGrid domain authentication and publishing a custom DMARC policy, you've massively improved your email security and deliverability. You can finally wave goodbye to that via SendGrid.net message. If this video helped you conquer your DNS records, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deliverability tips. Let me know in the comments if you've already seen an improvement in your open rates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.